warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adawafi bin Johari. My metric number 18-F20F1036. Today I would like to present about the topic flour, meals, starches and fat. For the first, white wheat flour. Wheat flour contains 63 to 73% starch and 7 to 15% protein. The rest is moisture, fat, sugar, and minerals. Wheat flour is a source of protein called gluten, of which is an important element in baking. Flour high in protein are called strong, and those low in protein are called weak. This is a three type of flour. For the first, bread flour, cake flour, and pastry flour. Bread flour, strong flour used for making breads, hard rolls, and any product that require high gluten. The best bread flours are called patents. For the cake flour, weak or low gluten flour made from soft wheat. It has a soft, smooth texture and a pearl white color. Used for cake and other delicate baked goods that require low gluten content. For the pastry flour, lower gluten than bread flour but higher than cake flour. It has the same creamy white color as bread flour, not the pearl white of cake flour. Used for cookies, pie pastry, and muffin. Type of texture. Bread flour. Slightly crossed rub between the finger and compare it with fall off as the hand is open. Cake flour. Smooth and fine. It stays in a lump when squeezed in the palm of the hand. The color is pearl white. Pastry flour. Like cake flour but has the creamy color of bread flour. All-purpose flour. Slightly weaker than bread flour, so it can be used for pastry as well. Next, whole wheat flour. Made by grinding the entire wheat kernel, including the bran and germ. The germ, which is the embryo of a new wheat plant, is high in fat, which and become rancid. Whole wheat flour contains gluten, so it can be used alone in bread making. Bread made with 100% whole wheat will be heavy because the gluten strands are cut by the sharp edge of the bran flake. Bran, bran flour is flour to which bran flakes have been added. Next, rye flour. Rye is the most popular flour in bread making. Rye flour is available in three shades: light, medium, and dark. Rye meal or pumpernickel is a coarse meal made from the whole rye grain. Rye blend is a mixture of rye and hard wheat flour. Other flour. Product meals from other grains are occasionally used to add variety to baked goods. These include cornmeal, buckwheat flour, soy flour, soy flour, potato flour, and barley flour. All these products must normally be used in combination with white and wheat flour. Next, starches. Other starches products are used in the bake shop. The function of starch are chicken pudding, pie filling, and similar products. The most important starches in dessert production are: first, cornstarch. Products thickened with cornstarch set up almost like gelatin when cooled. Second, racemes and other modified starch. Not break down when frozen, also clear when cooked and give a brilliant, clear appearance to fruit and pie filling. Racemes does not set up firm like cornstarch. It is not suitable for cream pie fillings. Number 3. instant starches, or pre-gelatinized.
My name Narani Shubete Mama Effendi, my metric number active-F20F1003. I would like to continue about fats. The main function of fat in baking is to shorten gluten strands and tenderize the product. The reason for using fats in bake. First, to assist in leavening when used as priming agent or when used to give flakiness to puff pastry, pie dough, and similar products. Second, to tenderize the product and soften the texture. Third, to add moistness and richness. Fourth, to increase keeping quality. And the last one, to add flavor. Next, there are four types of fats. First one, shortening. Second, oils. Third, butter and margarine. And the last one, lard. Shortening. Any fat acts as a shortening in baking because it shortens gluten strands and tenderizes the product. Usually, use the word shortening to mean any of group of solid fats, usually white and tasteless, that are specially for baking. Shortening are used for many purposes. Manufacturers have formulated different kinds of fat with different properties. Let's talk about types of shortening. The first one is regular shortening. This shortening have a taut, waxy texture and small particles of the fat tend to hold their shape in a dough and batter. This type of shortening does not melt until a high temperature is reached. Regular shortening has good creaming ability. It is used in products mixed by the creaming method such as cookies. Second is emulsify shortening. Soft shortening that spread easily throughout a batter and quickly coat the particles of sugar and flour. Give a smoother and finer texture to cake and make them moister. Emulsified shortening is often used whenever the weight of sugar in the cake batter is greater than the weight of flour. The last one is puff pastry shortening. From like regular shortening, formulated for puff pastry and other dough that's from layers such as Danish pastry. Butter and margarine. Butter is a traditional dietary staple made by pruning cream. It's mainly used as a frying, cake and pastry. Margarine is a processed food that is designed to taste and look similar butter. But butter and margarine have two major advantages. The first one is flavor. Has a highly desirable flavor. The second one is melting qualities. Butter melts in the mouth. The second last is oil. Oils are liquid fats, not often used as shortening in baking. A few quick breads and cake use oil as a shortening. Their usefulness in the bake shop is limited primarily to greasing pans and puffing bowls and to deep frying donuts. The last one is lard. Lard is the rendered fat of hogs. Because of the plastic quality, it was once highly valued for making flaky pie crust. Since the development of modern shortening, it is often used in the bake shop.